Good day, y'all. Today I'm actually going to be doing a review of Shop Vac. It's actually the Quiet series. It's a wet and dry Shop Vac. It's pretty cool, very effective, does its job. I'll show you exactly what took place and what I'm about to do with it in order to get this thing cleaned out properly and use it to its full capability as well. Um, the shop vac in itself is 5 gallons, so it's very small. I just needed it to just clean up some stuff after I made some messes around the house and stuff of that nature, especially in the sunroom. Um, yeah, so I actually had a plant that fell and broke in half, literally broke in half and spilled a lot of dirt onto our outdoor rug here. So I'm gonna actually be using the shop vac in itself to actually get rid of all the dirt that's actually stuck on the carpet right now and get all that stuff squared away. So just bear with me and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about in regards to the shop vac in itself. Alright, thanks, bye. This is the shop vac in itself. It's pretty small. It's a 5 gallon 2.0 peak, pretty much. But very quiet too as well. It's wet and dry vac, so I could use it for water as well if I wanted to. This is the nozzle. This is the mess right here. I had this plant that toppled over. As you can see, this top right here broke. This part right here, and it spilled quite a lot of dirt onto the rug here. It's made a mess, to say the least. So what I'm gonna do is actually scoop some of this dirt back into there, and then obviously be able to vacuum the remainder of the dirt that's stuck in between the carpet onto this with this beast right here, with pretty much this beast here. I'm doing it vlog style, so you're gonna have to bear with me so you guys can see exactly what the finished product will look like after I use it. But yes, I've gotten this and it's very effective. It's small, mighty. I didn't need a big one. I just needed it to just vacuum cars and rugs, especially outdoor rugs of that nature, just to make sure, you know, we keep the house and the cars clean instead of paying a boatload of money at the, car wash to vacuum your car. You could just do it on your own right then and there without any problems whatsoever. So that's pretty much what this is for, and that's what I'm going to be using it for today. I'm going to be using it to its full capabilities. Just bear with me and I'll show you exactly what I'm going to be doing for the most part. So what I want to do here is start gathering all the big chunks and clumps of dirt and put them back in the pot like so, right here. But I also don't want to make a mess, more mess than need be. So what I'm doing is gathering as much of it back, putting it back in the pot. So like so and so. Here, doing it with my bare hands, so bear with me. But now once I'm done with this, as you could see, there's quite a few pieces of dirt that are stuck on this carpet and that I'm not going to be able to get out with either a broom or by my bare hands, so to speak, to make matters worse. So that's where this comes into play. Wanted to be able to suck up as much of it as possible. It's gonna be as quiet as could be. So I'm gonna go run it and show you exactly what this thing can do. All right, thanks. So practically this was dirty before. Now this is spick and span clean as a whistle, as I completely shop vac everything into the shop vac over there. It's very cool, very efficient, doesn't use a lot of power, doesn't make a lot of noise. I love it very much. I would suggest you guys get you one. I will put a link of one also in the description below. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a comment, shoot me a comment. I'll be more than happy to reply back to it. And also want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy. All right, thank you guys. Have a good one.